Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to try to make me some new press-ons, make it fall inspired with my beginner self at nails, but I'm doing it with the help of products from Madam Glam. So first off, shout out to Madam Glam for sponsoring today's video. And take a moment, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up for me being creative again, and leave me a comment. So as you see here, I have a package here from Madam Glam, and these are the polishes they sent me. They sent me 7 different colors along with their top coat and base coat, and these are soak off base coats and top coats. Now, as you can see, I'm showing you the bottom of the bottles and everything, and it shows the different names. Don't worry, we're going to go through that again. But yeah, in this package, I have 7 different polishes and a top coat and base coat. Now, the first color right here is black, and the color for the name for this is Perfect Black, because there's no doubt about it. This is a perfect black, isn't it? Look at it. Look at the opacity. It's perfect. Okay, next color here is a brown, but the name of this one is called We Were on a Break. Yes, we were on a break. The name is too cute to me, but as you can see, this is a perfect chocolatey brown. It's no doubt about it, brown. There's no confusion in it. And next color here, you know how I love purple. I decided to go with a lavender shade this time, and the title for this is Lavender Springs. It reminds me of the lavender herb itself, just, the lavender flowers. Reminds me of springtime a little bit, but you know what? We use lavender during all seasons, so. Okay, next color is a green, and it looks like a perfect green to me, don't it? And guess what? The name of this is called Perfect Green. There's no confusion. This is not a forest green. This is not a lime green. This is a basic green. So if you're looking for a basic green color, this is the one for you. Okay, next color, of course, is an orange, and this orange is called Live Colorfully. I love the title of this. I mean, y'all can tell by just looking at these polishes, I love color. And orange definitely is a color during fall, as well as the color gold. Now, this gold is so pretty to me. Look at the shimmers in this gold. There's no doubt about it's gold. Watch this, watch this. Yes, the name of this one is Perfect Gold, because isn't that not a perfect gold? Yeah, very nice, very nice. Makes me want to get silver now. But yeah, so the last color here is, you guessed it, perfect yellow. Yes, no doubt about it, yellow, and yellow is also a color of the fall. So as you can see, I chose colors that remind me of fall because I'm creating some fall inspired nails, and these are the swatches that I've already cured. I cured them for 60 seconds each, and this is just one coat. So okay, let's move on to my press-on nails. Now these are some blank some clear press-ons I already had sitting on the stand for quite a long time, so I decided to just go ahead and use them. I'm starting off with the soak off base coat. I did just one coat and cured it for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with a color. And then I'm going to do a little bit of some just designs I just made up. Just something I'm playing around. I'm not an artist. I am not a professional whatsoever. I am just trying these colors, and I just like color, and I like colors on my nails. So take a moment and just watch me play around in this. Let me know if you like to create your own nails as well, or design your own nails, whether they be your own nails, press-on nails, acrylics, or polygel. Anyway, let me tell you really quickly, these gels, polishes here Remember, as I said in my last video, these are vegan polishes. They are also 21 free, which means they are free from the most toxic chemicals. 21 of them, those toxic chemicals are not in these polishes. And as always, these are cruelty free. They do not test these on animals. Thank you very much for that. And also, these polishes are produced with respect for the environment. So all of the polishes are palm oil free. Isn't that wonderful? It's nice to know that you're putting something on your fingernails that are not jam-packed full of chemicals and made the wrong way. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So yeah, so anyway, shout out again to Madam Glam for, let me try some more of their polishes. I love them. I love how opaque these polishes are. It does not take much. Now it is suggested, of course, that you go in with thin layers. I'm still practicing on that, using thinner layers so I don't have to worry about making any mistakes. And you'll see later on in this video that when I get to the pinky nails that I have, I did mess up those nails. I'm not sure if I include that footage or not. It may not be included, but I did go ahead and take the pinky nails that I will paint green, and I bumped into them, so I switched them out with almond shaped nails instead. So you'll see I have the green one here right now, and you see this is a coffin shape, but we're going to all of a sudden switch to a almond, and it's only because I messed up the nails. I did them too thick. They weren't all the way cured, and I pressed my hand into it, and yeah, there you go. So anyway, enough about that. Yeah, so I love these polishes. There's no horrible smell. These are very creamy polishes. They go on wonderfully. One coat is really all you need. I mean, what more do you want when you are paying for quality polishes? You want them to work right? So anyway, so here I go trying to just make some designs. And this is not even a real nail tool, y'all. This was a makeup brush that I cut down so I could use it to make lines. Yes, and I even go in and use a toothpick later on in this. So anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys watch. Make sure if you haven't already, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and just share it with someone. This is a beginner friendly designs that I'm making here on these press-ons. I'm not a professional, and I really do thank Madam Glam for working with me so I can even show you guys this stuff. So anyway, I'll be back in a moment. tell me what you think. You know, I did my own little original design, you know. Like I said, I'm not an artist, but I do love to create. I do love colors. And because of Madam Glam, I was able to play around and create some for my nails, which I still have on to this day at the time I'm doing this voiceover. I love them. They're beautiful. They're shiny. They're colorful, and they are me. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this second video I'm doing featuring Madam Glam polishes. Again, make sure you check the description box so you can get that discount code. And again, my discount code is OlenaR35. That will give you 35% off. And make sure when you go to checkout that you just purchase this as just a regular purchase. You don't want to purchase it as VIP unless you want to join their VIP. So again, this is just a regular pay as you go purchase you're making. So remember that point when you go to checkout, okay? So anyway, other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.